Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome again to our 365 daily devotion. Our topic for today is Sino si Archangel Michael? And our scripture for today is Jude chapter 1 verse 9. But even the Archangel Michael, when he was disputing with the devil about the body of Moses, did not himself dare to condemn him for slander, but said, "The Lord rebuke you." So, kahit daw yung anghel, hindi niya kinokondem or hindi niya minamaliit, hindi niya, yun nga, condemnation or hindi siya nangahas. Kundi, ginamit niya ang pangalan ng Panginoon. So, hindi tayo magkokondem, kundi gagamitin natin ang pangalan ng Diyos. So, our first teaching is archangels serve as powerful messengers and warriors in God's service. So, yung mga archangels, nagiging powerful messengers sila na kung ano yung gustong message ng Panginoon ay ayon ang maipararating. So, ang archangel, ang messenger ng God. Second, archangel teaches the reality of spiritual warfare and the importance of prayer. So, dahil sa mga archangels, nakikita natin na meron talagang spiritual warfare, meron talagang pagtatalo when it comes to our spiritual being na nadadaig talaga na minsan talaga may times na na-fall short tayo, may mga times na nagkakasala tayo. And doon hina-highlight na importante talaga na mag-pray para hindi tayo madaig ng kaaway. Third, archangels remind us of the supreme authority of Christ over all creations. So, dahil sa mga archangels, nare-remind tayo na si God ang King of Kings. He is the Lord of Lords. So, He is above all things. And wala tayong dapat katakutan, wala tayong dapat ibang puntahan, kundi ang Panginoon lamang. Kasi siya na yun, nasa Kanya na lahat. Siya yung authority ng lahat ng nilikha. Our first application is be aware of the reality of spiritual enemies targeting families, churches, and nations. So, maging aware tayo na yung target ng kaaway yung mga nasa paligid natin. At maging aware tayo na kapag ayon ay tawag ng kaaway, wag natin papakinggan. Second, pray diligently knowing that God uses our prayer to accomplish His purpose. So, palagi tayo mag-pray sa Panginoon dahil ito yung ginagamit ng Panginoon upang mangyari ang gusto niya mangyari sa buhay natin when we are praying. Third, trust the power and authority of Christ over all creations. So, magtiwala tayo sa authority ng ating Panginoon kasi He created all things. Lahat ng makikita natin, siya ang nagawa. So, meron siyang authority and meron siyang power. So, we need to trust on that. Yun lamang po, and see you again on our next 165 daily devotion.